Hello, today I want to do a quick demonstration and review of this really cool super power stabilizer made by QFUP. It is really cool. I didn't know that something like this existed, but it's going to be great. So you can use it with a Roku or an Amazon Fire Stick. And basically what it does is it removes the use of needing the power cord for those devices. So right now we're in kind of my workout room down here. And this is what the current setup looks like. It's just kind of cluttery and kind of junky looking with these two wires. So what this is going to do is replace this wire that's attached to the Fire Stick in the back of the TV. So I'll come right back and show you the other side of how to install it and how it works. All right, so just flip the TV around just to make this really easy to see. This is how it looks right now. This is the Amazon stick, obviously, and then this is the cord that goes down the wall and plugs in. So we're going to replace that. I'm just going to take this out for a second. This cord goes away. You've got your little micro USB side of this that just plugs into that power port. And then this side is just a normal standard USB port, and that will go into your TV on that port down there. That's where mine is. And then this just right back to where it was. And that is the installation. It's very easy. Everything's out of the way. This cord will be unplugged from the wall now. We won't need it at all, so it just cleans everything up. Really nice. Let me flip it around one more time and just show you that it works. And yeah. All right, so I flipped the TV back around again just to show you that it works. Still have this cord. This is just a TV power cord. Unfortunately, I can't do anything about that. But we don't have that secondary one. So turn this on. And Fire Stick powers right up. So everything works really good. I like that it's clean, it's tucked away, it's easy. I really like it. I thought it was a really clever product, and I would highly recommend it.